Hello chemists, let's talk about polarity in covalent molecule. We all know that covalent molecules are formed when two atoms share electron, okay? When two atoms share electrons. So polarity in covalent molecule has to do with unequal or uneven sharing of electron between two atoms in a covalent compound. So let's look at, for example, this compound is said to be polar because there's an unequal sharing of electron between these two atoms. Now this is a covalent molecule in which chlorine and hydrogen donate 1 electron each, and they both share the electron, okay? So that chlorine will have 8 electrons on its outer shell, and hydrogen will have 2 electrons. So this is how the covalent bond between hydrogen and chlorine is formed. All right. So now when we say polarity, it means that there's an unequal sharing of electrons between hydrogen and chlorine. Now it is the more electronegative element or atom that pulls the electron to itself. So electronegativity is the ability or the tendency of the power of an electronegative element or atom to pull shared electron in a covalent bond towards itself. So that makes hydrogen chloride a polar compound because chlorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. So the electrons will be pulled closer to chlorine. So that will lead to the formation of a dipole in this molecule. So this makes this hydrogen chloride a polar compound. So this partial charge, positive and partial negative, makes this compound is what denotes that this compound is polar due to the unequal or uneven sharing of electron between hydrogen and chlorine. So in a covalent compound or in a covalent molecule, the more electronegative atom or element will attract the electrons to itself. So because chlorine is more electronegative than hydrogen, it will attract the electrons will be attracted to it. So you will now have an unequal or uneven sharing of electrons. So that will give hydrogen a partial positive charge and chlorine a partial negative charge. And this electrostatic attraction between these two partial positive and partial negative atoms is what gives polar compound their unique properties. Like the polar compounds have higher boiling points than non-polar molecule. So I trust this help. See you for more.